History and culture. The building of the first railroads. Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, there was a grand problem. People and goods needed to travel faster across long distances than ever before. Meet George Washington Whistler, our young hero. He was determined to help his community by building something incredible, a railroad. George embarked on an exciting journey to learn how to build a railroad. He traveled far and wide, meeting railway engineers, learning about construction materials, and studying the best practices from other countries. Back in Pittsburgh, George assembled a team of skilled workers from all walks of life to bring his vision to reality. They were faced with countless challenges, like clearing dense forests, excavating mountains, and constructing bridges over wide rivers. As the days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the team tirelessly worked day and night to lay tracks and assemble the mighty steam engines. Finally, one sunny day, they completed the first railroad. The people of Pittsburgh rejoiced at this marvelous feat. The railroad connected them to other towns, making travel faster and goods more accessible than ever before. George Washington Whistler became a local hero and inspired many others to dream big. Years passed, and the railroad continued to expand across America. More and more communities were connected, transforming the way they lived, worked, and played. As you sit with your family today, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of the first railroads and the impact they had on our world. Who knows what innovations will come next? And so, our tale comes full circle, with the railroad expanding from just one line to an extensive network that connects cities across the United States. The first railroad was only the beginning of many exciting developments in transportation history. As you grow older, I encourage you to continue learning about our rich history and the incredible stories that shape our world. There's always something new to discover. Remember to keep your heart open to new adventures and knowledge, just like George Washington Whistler did when he built the first railroad. Today's story was about the building of the first railroads, but it's up to you to keep the legacy alive by learning from our past and dreaming of what lies ahead. Happy travels! The building of the first railroads was a remarkable tale about determination, innovation, and unity. It reminded us that with hard work and a dream, anything is possible. Let's continue to celebrate our history and inspire future generations to make their own mark on the world.